My name is Nicholas Zimmerman. Today's date is August 16th, 2018. Time now is approximately 9:45. Location is Windy Correctional Facility in upstate New York. Headline and title for this recording is Innocent Prisoner Seeks Content Marketing Firms, Search Engine Optimization Companies, and Social Media Influencers to assist in promoting his website, www.themaegmovement.com. I have prepared a statement which will explain what I am looking for in terms of a marketing company. I will now read that statement into the record. My name is Nicholas Zimmerman, and I am looking for a marketing company that will assist me in promoting my website, www.themaegmovement.com, and its parent company, Madison Avenue Entertainment Group, herein referred to as MAEG. I would like to give you briefly a little background information which will explain what MAEG is about and the type of content that's on the site so you can have a better understanding of what I'm trying to promote and whether you can assist me in promoting it. Currently, I am incarcerated at Windy Correctional Facility in upstate New York, serving time for a crime I did not commit, and I started MAEG as a blog site where I could post legal documents and evidence related to my case to show that I'm innocent and other documents related similar to cases of actual innocence, to post business proposals related to my company in order to recruit social media assistants, graphic designers, typists, webmasters, hip-hop artists, models, brand ambassadors, etc., to work with MAEG and building the company into a multi-million-dollar brand, to post short stories, essays, books, and film scripts that I am producing, and to post political commentary on current events that are happening in our society, among other things. The following is a listing of some of the posts that are on the site and an explanation as to why I feel these documents can draw millions of views. With regard to my business documents, I have posted a proposal entitled Building the Website for MAEG, which explains that typists, graphic designers, webmasters, and social media assistants can make a minimum of $3,750 a month by taking on executive director positions at the company. Likewise, I have posted the brand ambassador's proposal, which explains that representatives of MAEG can make upwards of $100,000 a year by promoting and selling MAEG products in their region. Similarly, I have posted the Black Entrepreneur Media Group photo publishing contract proposal, which seeks aspiring models to pose for the company in order to bring attention to political issues that affect our society. This proposal has the potential to net the model $2 million in profit. All of the proposal I just mentioned, as well as the documents I mentioned hereafter, can be found on the maegmovement.com by simply entering the name of the document in the search bar at the top of the homepage. I truly believe that models, brand ambassadors, social media assistants, webmasters, etc. will be extremely interested in viewing these documents. With regard to my articles and essays, I have posted several writings by Nidra James that capture the details of how I was placed in prison for a crime I did not commit and the retaliation I received from the Department of Corrections for trying to expose the true facts of my case to the public. Starting with Who Cares If He's Innocent, this article explains how the complaining witness in my case, Nakia Stubbs, was forced to identify me at trial and how I was not allowed to present evidence in my case to prove my innocence. Hip-hop artist, author, prisoner sues docs for $10 million, details an alleged elaborate escape attempt from Sing Sing Correctional Facility in 2003, in which 4 women dressed up in correctional officers' uniforms and broke into Sing Sing to try to help me escape. New York's Illest releases independent hip-hop album to help free their innocent comrade, defines how I executive produced the New York's Illest album before my incarceration, and what the potential success of the album would have been had I not been sent to prison. Superintendent Graham says innocent prisoner can have no physical contact until 2050, shows how the superintendent of Auburn Correctional Facility illegally subjected me to non-contact visits for 5 years without due process of law. Recent changes in the public's perception of solitary confinement exposes how the Department of Corrections illegally held me in solitary confinement for 15 straight years for the simple, nonviolent act of running a business while in prison. And finally, my latest essay entitled The 440 Motion Crowdfunding Campaign explores that a new law has been passed that can overturn my wrongful conviction, but I need help with raising money to pay for a lawyer to represent my case. These writings have the potential to appeal not only to the general public as a whole, but also to a large population of lawyers, advocates, paralegals, law students, bloggers, reporters, etc. I also have a section on my website where I post my appeals, legal briefs, motions, affidavits, and all documents related to my case that proves my innocence. For instance, the Nakia Stubbs sworn affidavit and Zimmerman Stubbs recording captioned Nakia Stubbs admitting that she told Assistant District Attorney Lee Bishop that she didn't want to testify against me because she wasn't sure that I attacked her, but that Lee Bishop told her that if she didn't testify, she would be held in jail until she did. The Natasha Dockery sworn affidavit and trial testimony and the Samuel Belnavis sworn affidavit and trial testimony details what took place in front of their homes on the night that Nakia was attacked and only confirms that I wasn't the person that attacked her. Additionally, the habeas corpus petition in the Nakia Stubbs case lays out my state and federal arguments that proves that my conviction is completely illegal and unconstitutional and that I should not be in prison. Just like my essays and short stories, lawyers, advocates, paralegals, law students, bloggers, reporters, etc. will be extremely interested in this content. My promotional flyers such as high-level paying positions and support the Free Nicholas Zimmerman Legal Defense Fund, my short stories such as Carter Love and Clinton Danamora, and my physical products such as my book, My Side of the Story, The Investigation Part 1, and my album, Puz Pacino Presents New York's Illest, are all products that will generate millions of views and sales. I'm just looking for the right content marketing firm to help me promote my writings, which brings me to my next point. I would like to work with your company in promoting my website to the masses. First off, I would like to know if you would be willing to provide your company's promotional services in exchange for 10 to 15% of my website's monthly advertising revenue. As you see, my site is already set up with AdSense advertisements, and I am currently in the process of uploading audio ads from SoundCloud and video ads from YouTube. I also have thousands of pages of fresh, new, original content that I am preparing to upload to the site. If you're not willing to work based on percentages, can you please give me a rate or a price quote of what you would charge to promote a site such as mine? I thank you for your time and attention to this matter, and I look forward to working with you in the future. Sincerely, Nicholas Zimmerman. P.S. To learn more about what the MAEGmovement.com will become in the future, please read Building the Website for MAEG on the MAEGmovement.com.